Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to remove white background and make it transparent in Canva. So let's start. First of all, head on to Canva from your favorite browser. Over here I am using Google Chrome. You can see here I am here in Canva. Now I'll create one design with dimension 1280 by 720. Our design is created. Now I'll go to elements and search for, then I'll search for man in white background and hit enter. Over here we can find many options. Now I'll choose this one. To remove this background, tap on this image and go over here to edit photo. Then you can see here busy remover. Tap on this busy remover and you can see here white background of our image is removed and this picture is transparent. Now to share, go to share and you can just download. Over here, keep in mind that we must click over here to transparent background and download. In this way, we can remove white background of image in Canva. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.